Good day. Could you introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Jubilin Iribilla. I'm 42 years old. I was born on March 28, 1983 from Magarao, Camarines Sur, Philippines. I'm married with two children, 21 years old girl and 9 years old boy. I'm a high school graduate. I have work experience in Hong Kong for 5 years and 7 months in one employer. I serve three members of the family. My duties are cooking, cleaning, car washing, washing the clothes, ironing, and marketing. I have experience in the Philippines for 2 years. I serve three members of the family, one couple, and the 7 years old son. My duties are cleaning, cooking, marketing, send them to school, and pick up the school.
Okay.
Teach them their assignment.
I saw that you don't have experience in taking care of a newborn baby.
Yes, madam.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Can you tell me how do you prepare the milk of a newborn baby?
First, I will wash my hand, wash the bottle, make sure that the amount of milk and the water, shake it, and then give it to the baby.
Okay. If the baby is crying, what would you do?
First, I will check the, the body of the baby, and then I will check the if the diaper is wet, and
Okay.
then I will I will feed the baby. I
Okay.
will check if the baby is hungry.
Okay. And then, if the baby is still crying, what would you do?
I will check the
If the baby is crying, what would you do?
I will tell to my employer.
Okay. Um, why do you want to work again in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong to support the education of my two children.
Okay. How long do you want to work in Hong Kong
I want
again?
to work in Hong Kong, three or more contract.
Okay. I saw that you have one contract who is almost finished.
Yes.
You worked there for 5 years and 7 months. So may I know the reason why you did not finish the remaining 4 months?
It's a personal reason, ma'am, and I need to take care of my mom.
Okay. Do you have a release letter?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay. So since you work from Hong Kong, do you know how to cook Chinese food?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the dishes that you cook?
Steamed fish, steamed pork, like that. And long soup, some vegetable, boil, fry, and some fried fish, some
Okay.
fried.
Is it okay to you to share with kids?
Yes, madam.
Is it okay to you to take care of elderly?
Yes, madam.
Okay, I saw that you have a long hair. Is it okay to you to cut your hair?
Yes, it's okay.
Okay. If one of the member of your employer don't know how to speak English, is it okay to you to learn Cantonese?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Are you willing to share job with other helpers?
Yes, madam.
Okay. Can you promise not to use cell phone without the consent of
Yes,
your
madam.
employer? Okay. Is it okay to you to eat the food that your employer
Yes,
provides?
madam.
Okay. Do you have any message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please choose me as your domestic helper. Please give me a chance to be a part of our family as your helper. Thank you and God bless.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
M5840 Miss Jovelyn.